Thank you, Supervisor Yaroslavsky, for your leadership on this issue, and thank you, Dr. Jonathan Fielding. We're very fortunate in the County of Los Angeles to have one of the best public health officials anywhere in the United States of America, and I want to thank you for your efforts in this initiative. Good morning, everybody, and thank you for coming today to help the county and all of the agencies involved here in the H1N1 vaccination campaign. And before we begin, I'd like to acknowledge the various organizations in the San Fernando Valley that are with us: the Encino Chamber of Commerce, Providence, Tarzana Medical Center, the Encino Neighborhood Council, and the Lake Balboa Neighborhood Council. Let's give them a big hand. Thank them. Without their time, dedication, and energy today, would not be possible. Now, since the message of getting vaccinated and practicing good hygiene needs to reach all of our communities around the city, I'd like to thank the Department of Aging for providing sign language interpreters today. And I'd also like to thank Consumer Watchdog for joining us here today to ensure that everyone who comes here today gets an LARX card for free. For those of you who do not know, LARX is a free discount prescription card that can save you up to 40% on any pharmaceutical drug at most pharmacies in the in the Los Angeles area. And there are no barriers to entry. Anyone can join, whether you have insurance or not. If you'd like to receive one, John Simpson will be at a table near the exit and can get you set up with a card. Now, the reason we're here today, as you know, is to kick off the Los Angeles area H1N1 vaccination campaign. And as Supervisor Yaroslavsky said, it took hard work and collaboration from a variety of agencies, including and led by the Department of Public Health, City of Los Angeles, other cities throughout the county, nonprofit organizations, and healthcare agencies and community clinics to make this vaccination effort a reality. The clinic you toured earlier and the others like it throughout the county are a clear example of the strong partnerships that bind together all levels of our community and all levels of government, from young people to the elderly, to anyone who has fallen on hard times and does not have health insurance. These clinics are here to serve and are a testament to just how seriously we take the health and safety of our neighbors. And as mayor, I can tell you that ensuring that health and safety and well-being of the people of Los Angeles is my top priority. I want to thank the members of the media who are here for your role in getting out the word to your readers, your viewers, and your listeners about this effort. We're all in it together this flu season, and by getting educated, taking the appropriate steps to get vaccinated, and practicing good hygiene, I know we can minimize the impact of H1N1 on our communities. But no one person can do it alone, and we're all going to have to vaccinate ourselves and then look after our neighbors and our loved ones. And I know there's some people who may not consider the flu to be a serious illness, but some groups that are at a higher risk, like the supervisor, than others, and should take extra precautions against the flu. And then there are some people who may not get to the vaccine. Well, I'm here to tell you it's safe, and in some cases could even be life-saving. As your local leaders, we made it our priority to make sure that the H1N1 vaccine is readily available to those who need it most. And here it is. So now it's your turn to step it up and get vaccinated. And I'd like to urge everyone who falls into one of the CDC-identified priority groups to receive the vaccine as soon as possible. Now, Zeb, I don't fall into that group, so if you're going to ask me if I'm going to take a flu shot today, the answer is no. I am not going to take one today. I'm going to wait my turn. We want to get the priority groups first, but after we've gotten the priority groups, I hope Dr. Fielding will also give me a shot. So go to your doctor, stop by one of these clinics, visit a pharmacy at the beginning of next month. I'd like to encourage everyone, not just those in the priority groups, but Angelinos all around the city, to do their part to help stop the spread of the flu. As Zeb said, wash your hands, cover your nose and mouth when you cough or sneeze. Kind of basic, everybody. Don't touch your eyes, nose, or mouth, and stay home if you're sick. This flu season, all we have to do our best, all of us have to do our best to stay healthy and fight the spread of H1N1. I want to thank again Dr. Fielding, and like to introduce him. I know some of you are live, so after this, after he's finished, I'll say a few words in Spanish.